and then I opened the email and it was the Vapor Street Flyknit in the light cream colorway. Let's go ahead and actually take a yo. Hey, what up guys, Paps Moneybacks here, back with another sneaker unboxing, and today we have a really special shoe. And I know I say that with every shoe, but that's because, well, shoes are special for me. You know, I have a place in my heart that no girl could ever fill up because I'm alone. The point is, today we have a shoe that hasn't even released yet. This one, there's actually a really funny story behind this one, and actually pretty expensive as well. And the shoe that we're unboxing today is the Vapor Street Flyknit, the sail or light cream colorway. Nike has like 3 different names for it on the sneakers app, but I did not get this one from Nike, as you can tell, or as you're about to tell. Actually, the box is backwards. Give me 1 second. Once again, I got another pair of shoes from my friends over in the UK at End Clothing, and this one, like I was telling you, what happened was, oh, there's the tape right there. What happened was is I entered their raffle for the Sean Wotherspoons, which I'm super incredibly pissed that I took so many L's. I was up at 2 a.m. to get them from Nordstrom. I couldn't even get them in my cart. Actually, I got them, whatever, man. We in a positive vibe today, so let's not get negative with the L's for the Sean Wotherspoons. But I entered the draw for those, or the raffle for those, and then I don't know how I ended up seeing their other raffles that they had going on, and this shoe was one of them. And I got intrigued by it. I had already tried to cop the red colorway that dropped. I know it dropped on sneakers, and I had a chance to cop them from Keith, I think it was, and I missed out on those as well because they just sold out. But anyways, the point is I entered the raffle for these on over it, and I just kind of did it like randomly. I'm like, you know what, why not, right? Why not enter? And I was in Mexico for spring break, and one day I just wake up and see that my PayPal had transferred almost $200 to like some, because they don't operate under End Clothing for PayPal, I guess, or something like that. The thing is, $200 were transferred to the company, and I freaked out because it was like, I'm spitting over here. I freaked out because I'm like, yo, that's $200. What? But then of course I grab my phone, keep scrolling down, and I see the email saying, congratulations, you won. And I thought it was the Sean Wotherspoons for a second, so I got really excited. And then I opened the email and it was Vapor Street Flyknit in the light cream colorway. Let's go ahead and actually take a, okay, yo. It's another really weird shoe. Now that my first impression is that this is another weird shoe. Sorry about that. I totally messed up the experience for you guys because you did not see it was too bright on the camera, but there you go. The Vapor Street Flyknit. They look like hella chunky over here at the bottom. Like they're so chunky. It's so weird. It's weird, but I don't know. The Flyknit quality is looking A1 though. So far it's looking A1. What the hell? They sent a little sponge over here. I don't know why they put whatever. Let's just go ahead and take the. Yo, for real, what is this? Okay, sorry about the camera, guys. I think I got it figured out. I think it makes it justice to the color because it's a light color. So I really, with the white table, it's just whole messed up thing. But I don't know about this shoe. Like, it looks so weird, and we are gonna have an on-feet look. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video. We're gonna have an on-feet look. But it's just a really weird shoe. I love the quality of the Flyknit once again. It has like that Epic React. The same way the Epic React has its tongue connected to the collar. Same here. I think it's even the same. Well, of course it's the same material. It's Flyknit, but it's like the same design, I guess. So now speaking of the Epic React, these actually have the React foam or the React technology. It's not necessarily as raw as the Epic React. This one's actually like caged, kind of like Adidas does with the Boost. Like sometimes it is exposed and sometimes it is just as the cushioning inside. Quality, the biggest detail on this one is definitely the huge ass swoosh on the outside of the shoe on both the outsides of the sneakers, and then you also have the little one on the inside. The design is kind of weird once again because you don't have it like center over here, you have it more towards the top, but over here on the toe box you have a little bit of opening so you get more air coming through. Over here in the front there's no Nike swoosh or anything. And then let's take a quick look at the outsole, which has the Nike swoosh right there, dead center, and then the design or the pattern going on the outsole is actually pretty cool. Kind of like it. I'm excited to try these on to see how they compare to the Epic React when it comes to how comfortable they feel. No Nike racing or Nike running branding on the tongue, or any type of branding really, like other shoes. And then on the heels, let me go ahead and give you a better look at that. Nothing as well. I don't know how I feel about this little pointy thing over here at the back. Like, this looks so weird. I just want to mention real quick that I had these shoes way earlier than they released, or than their release date over here in the US. I feel special because of it, so you know, that helps up my self-esteem, which is kind of trashy all the time. So that's a pro. But anyways, over here underneath the laces, there's actually a lot more openings, so it allows, I assume, for more comfort and more air coming through, so your feet stay fresh and clean. Let me take this out. And then over there on the inside, if I can get it right, you have the Nike swoosh, and then on the inside, more towards the inside, I mean, you have Nike sportswear. I don't know if you can see it on that shot. Nothing on the laces, which I don't know, I'm kind of disappointed on that. I would expect to have at least something on the laces, because these really don't have a lot of details. There is though a splatter paint pattern going on the midsole, on both the inside and the outside, and of course on both shoes. The heel loop has a reflective band running through it, and I think that is it for these. I don't see any more details. But now, of course, it's time for the moment of truth. Ho ho ho. These smell like Nike, man. These smell like Nike. That's that. I don't know. I think it's a really cool shoe. I think it's innovative. Last time they sold out on sneakers, and they sold out everywhere, so I'm kind of glad I have a pair. But now let's go ahead and show you guys how they look on feet. But yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings, Nike sneaker unboxings, because you know I'm a Nike boy. I stay with the swoosh game forever. This is 2 L's, bro. I don't know why. Well, if you do it like this, that's the swoosh, right? Like. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Pats Money Bags. Out.